On the main screen, we have the input device. We can select integrated microphone if we have a microphone from our computer, or external microphone if we have our device connected to a mixer. In this case, I will select integrated microphone, but if you have it, your computer connected to a mixer, you have to select external. And the recording format, we're going to select stereo and the Windows Media Audio. We have also other formats. The date and time as name, we're going to keep it on, as well the auto level volume. This is very important. It helps to stabilize the volume of the recording. And we're going to select a folder where all our recordings will be saved from now on. On this case, I create a folder named Recoding AVS under my music. Here all my recordings will be saved. Once we are ready to start our recording, we're going to click Start Recording, and once we finish, we stop. If we want to start recording again, we click Start, then Stop, Start. And as you see, if I increase my volume, the level of my volume, and the auto level, it lowers the volume. And if I lower my volume, so then the auto level will increase it. So once we finish our recording, we stopped. And here on this area will appear all the recordings and how they will be saved as the year, month and date, and the time of the recordings. The output folder shows where all my recordings are being saved. On this case, I have created a folder Recording AVS, and here all the recordings will be saved from now on. You can set up where would you like to save all your recordings. Click in Browse and select a folder. I will open a folder that I create and Recording AVS, and this is the way how AVS create the folders of your recordings. The year, the month and date. So if you record one tomorrow, it will appear 2013 12/09, and on this folder, each folder shows all the recording during that date. So I will rename the first recording as intro. I suggest to leave the date. The second one as message, and the third one as conclusion. And I recommend to type the comments after the date. Then we're going to go back and rename the folder, and you can rename the folder with the topic of what was about the recording. In this case, is about how to use AVS. And in the same way you will do with the following recordings. To burn the audio, the recordings into a CD, there are multiple ways and different programs, but today I will show you how you can record or how you can burn all your recordings into a CD using the Windows Media Player. So let's open the Windows Media Player, and at the right top we're going to select Burn. Then we're going to open the folder where we have our recordings. In this case, I have all my recordings saved under the Recording AVS folder, and here we're going to open this folder, and I have these 3 recordings. I can decide which one I will record, or if I want to record all 3. Just keep in mind that there is a limit, I believe up to an hour. I have here a time less than an hour, so I will select all 3 and drag and drop on the Windows Media Player. Once I'm ready, I'm going to insert a blank CD and click on the right top where it says Start Burn.